Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are solving mathematical physics written by H.K. Das, and today we are going to solve second question of exercise 11.4 that is of Fourier series. So in this question students, we have to find the Fourier sine series, half range sine series for the function 2x minus 1 in between the limits 0 to 1. Okay, so formula to find sine series is summation n from 1 to infinity bn sine n pi x by c, and to calculate the value of bn, as we did in previous questions, we got the value of a naught, we got the value of an and bn. Similarly, we will get the value of bn here, that will be equals to 2 by c, and integrating from 0 to c function sine n pi x by c. Here in this question we can say that c equals to 1. So I am going to integrate for the value of bn, and the value of bn will be 2 by 1 dot integrating from 0 to 1 the function is 2x minus 1 and sine n pi x by 1 dx. Okay, so from here we will integrate it. So 2 by 1 I will take outside and big bracket start. So I will integrate this by applying the product rule between the two functions, and its value will become 2x minus 1 dot sine n pi x integration will be minus cos n pi x dot 1 by n pi. Okay, so here I will put again minus, and differentiating first function I will get 2 only, and integrating second function this minus will remain as it is, and integration of cos n pi x will be sine n pi x by n pi. So this value will become n square pi square only, and now putting the limits from 0 to 1. So students, this value will become 0 only, because sine, by putting upper limit, sine n pi 1, so sine n pi is 0 always, and sine 0 will be 0 always, so this value will be 0 and this value will remain there. So this minus I can take outside common, and its value will become minus 2, this minus, and this n pi also I can take outside, so this value will be minus 2 by n pi, and inside 2x minus 1 into cos n pi x, putting the limits from 0 to 1. Okay, so its value will be minus 2 by n pi, and bracket start by putting the upper limit, that value will be 1 only. 2 into 1 minus 1 will be 1. Cos n pi dot 1 will be cos n pi only, and its value will be minus 1 power n. Now I will put minus and will put lower limit, that is 0. So if I will put 0 over there, then minus 1 will remain from there, and cos 0 will be 1 only, so its value will be 1. Now its value will turn into minus 2 by n pi, bracket start, this value will be minus 1 power n, and minus minus will add on, so plus 1. Okay, so this is the value for the bn. Bn's value will be minus 2 by n pi into 1 plus minus 1 power n. Now if I will take n as an odd number, okay, n as an odd number, then this will be minus 1 and this whole term will be 0. So for odd numbers bn will be 0, but for n equals to even number, so if n is 2, 4, 6, then this value will be plus 1 only, and plus 1 will be 2. So 2 into 2 will be 4. So bn's value will be minus 4 by n pi for your even numbers value. Okay, bn's value will be minus 4 by n pi, and for odd numbers this value will be 0. Now we can represent the Fourier sine series, that is summation n from 1 to infinity bn sine n pi x by c. Okay, so its value will be, I will put the value of bn, that is minus 4 by pi, and inside by n. So n's value is c's value is 1, so no need to put it, and I'm putting n's value 2, 4, 6 up to dash dash dash. So its value will be, this n I'm going to take inside, and minus 4 by pi I took outside, so its value will be minus, also I had taken outside, so sine 2 pi x by dot 1 by 1 dot 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 sine 4 pi x plus 1 by 6 sine 6 pi x up to dash dash dash. So from here I can take 2 common outside, and its value will be minus 4 divided by pi dot 2 into 1 by 1 dot sine 2 pi x plus 1 by 2 dot sine 4 pi x plus 1 by 3 dot sine 6 pi x up to dash dash dash, and this 2 will cancel out this 2, so final answer will be minus 2 by pi into sine 2 pi x dot 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 sine 4 pi x plus 1 by 3 dot sine 6 pi x plus dash dash dash. Thank you. Have a good day, because that is our required answer. Next question we will solve in our next video. Thank you. Have a good day.